Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to combine column in Excel pivot table step by step. First apply step on, see this first name and last name combine equal A2 and B2. Press enter. Double click to this handle, then autofill. Select full table, go to insert tab, pivot table, click OK and adjust field, full name, sales and added month for column. Okay, and apply step 2. Use another datasheet. Select insert tab, pivot table, click OK. Then date, rows, sales, values. Click on the any date cells, right click on your mouse, group, month, years. Click OK. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.